Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the hottest basketball shoes on the market right now. The Nike Jordan men's shoes Jordan Zion 1 Bloodline DA3130-006. If you're looking for top-tier performance and style on the court, this might just be your next go-to pair. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about these kicks. First off, let's talk about why these shoes are making waves. The Nike Jordan Zion 1 Bloodline combines cutting-edge design with premium materials, making them not just a shoe, but a statement piece. Available in a sleek black, white, smoke gray colorway, they're designed to turn heads both on and off the court. What really sets these Jordans apart is their construction. They feature a synthetic and rubber upper, ensuring durability and support where you need it most. The sole is crafted from high-quality rubber, offering excellent traction and grip essential for those quick cuts and explosive movements on the hardwood. On the performance front, the Jordan Zion 1 doesn't disappoint. Whether you're driving to the basket or locking down on defense, these shoes provide responsive cushioning and stability. The midsole is engineered to absorb impact and provide energy return, keeping your feet comfortable throughout the game. Comfort-wise, Nike has nailed it with these. The shoes are designed to mold to your feet over time, offering a snug fit without sacrificing mobility. Plus, they're surprisingly lightweight, which adds to their overall agility on the court. And let's not forget the stylish details from the iconic Jordan logo to the sleek color accents. They're a slam dunk in terms of design. Now, why are these shoes flying off the shelves? It's not just the brand name, although Jordan's legacy certainly plays a role. It's the meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of their design. Athletes and sneakerheads alike appreciate the blend of performance and style that the Zion 1 delivers, making them a must-have in any serious collection. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the Nike Jordan men's shoes Jordan Zion 1 Bloodline DA3130-006. Whether you're hitting the court or just want to up your sneaker game, these shoes are a solid choice. If you've enjoyed today's breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, keep stepping up your game with Product Critique.